I started thrifting because my mom brought me into it when I was little. It's just always been in my life. I started using it personally just because, I don't have the wealthiest family in the world, so it's always nice to save money. And then once I got into photography when I was about 13 years old, I started seeing the world of thrift shops so much differently, and it's so weird and so vintage, and you don't find clothes like these anywhere else, so it's really fun. I'm a photographer by trade, so I come to shop here to wardrobe and style all my photo shoots that I do. I always like to go for really bright and vivid colors and something that's weird and not, the ordinary clothes that someone would wear like walking down the street. So I know, a place I can rely on to find clothes like that is here. For example, today I was thrift shopping and I found a cow print button-up, and you just wouldn't find that at a mall. I mean, there's so many amazing things that you can find here. There's like little treasures hidden throughout the thrift store, and it's just so fun to like catch and to just like, say like, oh, I found this, and nobody else has it, it's a really nice moment.